In a lush, tropical jungle, a wise old iguana named Iggy resided. His scales, a vibrant emerald, shimmered under the sun's golden rays. However, Iggy faced a dilemma, a conundrum that weighed heavily on his reptilian heart. One day, Iggy ventured to a nearby river to quench his thirst. There, he saw a small fish caught in a fisherman's net. The fish, struggling and frightened, looked up at Iggy with pleading eyes. Iggy felt a pang of sympathy. He knew the fear of being captured, for he too had once been a meal for a hungry bird. Yet, he also knew the cruel hand of the fisherman would feed his family. Iggy pondered, weighing the scales of compassion against the needs of his kin. He closed his eyes and contemplated the choice before him. What should he do? After a moment's silence, Iggy made his decision. He approached the net, his scaly feet rustling the jungle floor. With a swift, powerful leap, he released the fish from its prison. The fish, freed, swam away quickly, its tail flicking with gratitude. Iggy returned to his home, his heart heavy but satisfied. He had chosen compassion, but he knew the consequences. His family would struggle without the fish he had set free. But Iggy, in his wisdom, understood something profound. He realized that acts of kindness, while they may come with sacrifices, ultimately nurture our spirit and enrich our lives. From that day forward, Iggy became a beacon of compassion in the jungle. His story serves as a reminder that every choice we make, no matter how small, has the power to touch lives and shape the world around us. And so, the wise old iguana, with his emerald scales shimmering under the sun, stood as a testament to the power of kindness, reminding us all that even the smallest act can have the biggest impact.